In this video, I'm going to talk about top 5 tips that can help you out in managing your heel pain. Hello and welcome to the UltraCare Pro User Guide series. These are an exclusive series of videos created just for you so that you can get best use of your UltraCare Pro products. UltraCare Pro is on the mission to help you get better results from your pain. So, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do ensure you subscribe it and press that bell icon so that you can get notified every single time we upload a new video. By the way, I am physiotherapist Meghna Dave and I am associated with UltraCare Pro brand in coming up with this educational content. Coming to the heel pain, most of the time heel pain can happen due to multiple of reasons. Plantar fasciitis is the commonest reason that can lead to experience of heel pain. If you are someone who experiences heel pain without any injury, without any fall, without any reason, that too which stays longer and doesn't go easily, you might have plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis is nothing but inflammation of this particular structure called as plantar fascia, which lies in the sole of your foot. Plantar fascia is a band-like structure that extends from your toes till the heels. Mostly, it acts as a shock absorber when you do your physical activities like standing and walking. Whenever there is more undue pressure that comes on your heel or else your foot, this plantar fascia has to work way more harder compared to normal, which leads to this experience of pain. People who are having faulty postural habits, people who are in occupation that involves long-standing job like teacher, policemen, nurses, doctors, etc. are more prone to develop plantar fasciitis. Mostly, plantar fasciitis is associated with swelling, morning stiffness, pain in the heel region, and sometimes this pain also radiates to your forefoot and even on the leg. Now coming to the management, mostly plantar fasciitis can be managed very easily with the help of conservative methods. The top 5 tips for managing heel pain comprises of: tip number 1 is apply cold pack to the region where you have got pain. You can experiment in multiple ways of application of cold pack, like you can do ice cube massage, you can put water in a water bottle, freeze it for a long time, or else you can take a frozen can and place it on the area where you are having pain and move the foot over it. Cold application should be done for 15 to 20 minutes. If your pain is chronic and the pain is not too much, it's just staying as a nagging pain, you can opt for contrast bath, which is nothing but simultaneously putting your foot first in hot water and then in cold water. Again, the duration for this treatment should last for 15 to 20 minutes. The next step is opt for physical therapy modalities like ultrasound and TENS. Now, UltraCare Pro has come up with this unique device called as Sonic TENS, which is a combination of these two modalities. Now, there are many scientific researchers which have proven that when ultrasound and TENS has been used in combination, it gives better output. The design of Sonic TENS is very simplistic and so easy to use that you can get these therapies done at the convenience of your home. If you want to check out how to apply Sonic TENS for your heel pain, the link to that video is mentioned in the description box below. Coming to tip number 3, and that is to modify your footwear. Mostly, footwear is a reason that could lead to plantar fasciitis, as it can be a causative factor for this uneven pressure. So changing in footwear could drastically improve your levels of pain experience. Always opt for slightly raised heels and soft sole footwears over completely flat footwear and footwear with hard soles. Even wearing a very high heel could lead to experience of plantar fasciitis. Hence, avoid wearing very high heel shoes. Regular exercises, especially stretching exercises of plantar fascia and foot muscles and strengthening of the intrinsic foot muscles is the key for long-term prevention of plantar fasciitis. And the last step is modify the activities that is causing that undue pressure or else undue stress on your foot. So friends, these were the top 5 tips that can help you out in preventing and managing your plantar fasciitis pain or else heel pain. I hope you find this video useful. If you have got any questions, comments or suggestions regarding our videos, do ensure you mention them in the comment section below. On that note, I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.